Well, hello there everyone, David your friendly hairy Scotsman back once again with another wee review. Now, I was in Asda earlier and I was having a look at my usual favourite section, the reduced area, and now I've been told I've to get more B12 into my system, so one of the best things to do is liver. Now apparently it's lamb's liver, but liver's liver, isn't it? And I found in the reduced section Asda tender ox liver. Now it was 67p for this thing. Normal price is £1.12, so about half price roughly. That is what it looks like. Now I've never tried this stuff before, so trying to get into it isn't going to be easy, I don't think. Let's give that a wee cut like that. Oh, it's double sealed. Right here, rip off this stuff. I've got the fan on just now as well. I'll get some heat in this pan. Put it down a wee bit. Now, as I say, it's double sealed. Let's just check in here. Fry. For best results, remove from fridge up to 20 minutes prior to cooking. That's been at about 3 minutes, 4 minutes, that's not bad. Remove all packaging, brush the liver with oil, preheat your pan over a high heat, then reduce to medium, and carefully place the liver in the pan and cook. Turning occasionally, always follow cooking instructions. Should always be cooked thoroughly until piping hot, no pink remains. May contain bacteria, blah blah waffle. Apparently, for medium, 7 to 9 minutes. So let's try and get into this. Looks interesting if nothing else. Well, that has an interesting aroma, to put it mildly. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it over to the cooker. I'm going to drop this down a bit, because I reckon it's going to be a bit on the high side. And third leg down. Let's bring you down quite a bit here. Yank. I'll zoom in on the pan. That'll hold there for a second or two. The pan is getting nice and warm. I'll just bring it up a wee bit more. What that is there's a wee shiny thing in my pan. Don't know what it is. Now it says oil the liver, but I'm just going to put a wee scoosh in there like that. I'm not going to cook all of this, because looking at it I'll be trying to eat it for about a week. Right. Right, got a nice little chunk here. Giving a beautiful sound there. I don't think that'll take 7 minutes to cook. I don't really want it tough. Flipping it. Turn that heat down a wee bit. It's looking good already, it's smelling better. Try and press it down a bit. Lovely crackling sounds there as it's cooking. You can see the juices starting to come out of it there a bit. Some of that oil background there. It is actually smelling really good. And so it keeps tells me to keep flipping it over. We just run the knife through it. It's cooked. It's almost cooked actually. I reckon about another 2 seconds on each side. That is very nearly ready. I'm going to cut this thicker bit here just to see what it's like. Almost done on the thicker bit. Just need a wee bit more. As I say, I've never ever tried ox liver before. I'm going to get you ready to see the plate. I'm going to put it up on. Just a bog standard plate. Just about fell there. There's my plate. Rinse that off. That onto there. It's absolutely scorchio hot here. Doesn't look like a lot, but it's not bad. Scrape off some of the caramelisation. So, I mean, that is cooked virtually perfectly. If it actually gets in focus, there we go. There we are, that looks quite interesting. Chop that off. I'm just going to kill that fan a minute. Now, I'll bring you back up to see my ugly mug. As we go wide. There we go. Right. Now, let's see what it tastes like. There's a wee chunk. Okay, it actually smells really good. It smells like a bit of steak, actually. Let's give it a try. Got a slight irony taste to it there. It's quite soft. There's a couple of crispy edges there, which are really quite good. It's quite creamy inside as well, by the texture of it. That's actually really quite nice. There's quite an irony taste there to it. That is good. I'm going to cut it with my other knife, just because it slides through easier. That is really quite good. Yeah, I wasn't sure about it to start with, but it's actually tasty. I maybe cooked it a wee bit longer there than I thought that I should have, but the crispy edges are really working with it. Tonight, there's no pink in it, like it says it shouldn't be. You can see it there. If it actually decides to focus and not try and focus on me. Nice grain structure to it as well. That's good. What I think would make it even better is a wee squirt of brown sauce. You want to try? It doesn't actually need the flavours masked. It is actually really good. That has genuinely surprised me. It's been a while since I've had liver. I've never had ox liver before. It's usually lamb's liver I have, which is better for you, but they didn't have it reduced, so I thought I'll give this a try. Now that is tasty. That is very tasty. That wee bit of brown sauce just gives it a wee bit extra spice to it. I mean, I'm literally talking a wee blob on the edge of my knife there. Should have done a wee bit of bacon with it as well. Liver and bacon, supposedly really nice. But I've got a load there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pack it up, basically put it in the freezer so that when I fancy a bit, just take it out, defrost it and munch on it. That is really, really nice. So ox liver is good. It's good for you. I think most livers are. They're full of iron and all that sort of thing, so it really does help your body. Yeah, I was kind of wary at first, but I'm trying it again now. I am really enjoying this. I should have done some onions in it as well. Being honest with you, it doesn't actually need anything else. Brown sauce just helps it, but it's not needing anything. That is really tasty. I might actually do a bit extra. Another piece there, because it's really good. I'm impressed with that. So, on that wee note, I'm going to toddle off just now, go and finish this while it's still hot. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would. Hit the bell for notifications if you do want to send you them. Leave a like, leave a comment. Do you like liver? Do you like ox liver or lamb's liver or any other form of liver? Come to that. Let me know. Tell me what you think. What other way would you do it? So, I'm going to vanish just now. Go and finish this. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Speak to you all again very, very soon. I.e. hopefully tomorrow. So I've got a couple of videos already shot now. So on that note, take care and see ya.